Hi, this is Deepak. I'll tell you one beautiful algorithm I came across today, and some real-time example I implemented that one. That is edit distance algorithm. Basically, that is Google used in auto-correction of spelling. If some word is misspelled, it will rectify, and it will when you will give some prompt in Google, it will rectify in display in front of us, right? Or another real-time is plagiarism. We can get used another one's content as our own content. It will also checked by this algorithm. And another real-time example, it will used in some life science project, that is called DNA sequencing. In DNA sequencing, in 414 is there, no? In DNA, ATCG, A for adenine, T for thymine, C for cytosine, G for guanine, right? In RNA, T is not present, thymine is not present, I think so, and uracil is present, DNA to RNA transcription, and RNA to protein synthesis through mRNA, right? And that is called translation, which that always used in DNA sequencing basically. Suppose in corona pandemic, new strain of variant is coming like SARS. It will used to detect, suppose one variant is come, another, all those information already stored in our DB. That previous variant, suppose like that same type of variant which is already present before the attack the human race, basically it is already in our DB, right? And all those who is infected by the that virus, that we have to collect all those DNA sequence, genome sequence, and matched the previous when the pandemic, when this type of pandemic, and match that one. If it will match like that, some analysis will be there through this algorithm. In edit distance, you can source it, so you can easily get all those information. In edit distance, basically three functionalities. The main basically one is basically that is RID, that is replacement, I for insertion, D for deletion. That is the three concept used in. Suppose I'll take an example of basically that is the word one. Basically, I'll take HORAC. The second word I will give ROSR. That is initially it is in I put it in a linear way like HORAC, and what two is ROS. It will start index 1. That is the first string, and second string also starting index. That is the index 2. Okay, its first alphabet is string 1 H. Okay, and that is the string 2 first alphabet is R. That is how we will match that one. Now I'll explain all those things, and through code when I'll get time I'll put it in code for basically. In that algo, basically when client will give to algo to edit the distance. That is the means he want to know what is the distance between the two string basically. In that three operation will be there. That is insertion, deletion, and replacement. Okay, that is the first alphabet is H, and in that string 2 first alphabet is R. In the first I will tell you the match case. If first alphabet will match with the second string alphabet, that in that scenario if it will match means the first index will increment +1 and the second index will increment +1. Can you get the point? If it is not matched means that is the three operation will perform. Basically, if I want to, and that is based on that is not optimized one. If it is optimized one means I'll tell you that is the recursive way. We can further optimize, right? In Fibonacci I already told you how to optimize all those things. It is the exponential format after that, and memoization will be there after the bottom up like tabulation, after that space optimization. In space optimization or memoization technique we used 2D array so that we can minimize the time complexity. In space optimization we'll take the one dot not we'll take 2D array, we'll take one